Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to agree that, yeah, the bulls definitely had a good day today and made some good solid progress. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $2.50 mark. Why is $2.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.50. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back a little bit here. Not saying it will, but let's just pretend for example's sake and behaves in that manner. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down around this area. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $2.50. Now, what about areas of resistance? At this point in time, at least in my opinion, it's all about this area right up here at, what is that, $2, and we'll call it 83 cents. Going back to the history of the chart, you can see on a couple different occasions, you know, both here try to get above it, and then once again today struggle to get above it. So I'm not saying that 283 can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price struggled and that that'll be the key level of resistance. Whoops, but given that the price is pretty close to potentially breaking it, I do want to get one more area of resistance mapped out, and that next level of resistance would be right up there at the round number of $3. So 283-ish, and then $3, next two key areas of resistance. All in all, though, it's all about building higher bases, and the price had a great move today, so let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.